Okay. Today's January 3rd, 2022. And we're doing page 294. Okay, so we've got these two. So this is the first informational text called Going to the Extreme. Okay, and we've got, excuse me, we've got two vocab words. So to perform, what do you guys think that might mean? To blank, to blank, to, what do you guys think that might be? So here's what they used. To do something to entertain people. So if you're a performer, right? If it's a play, if it's a performance, if it's a choir performance, you do something to do something to entertain people. Okay, so I want you to put that in there. To do something to entertain people. Okay, what might you perform for an audience? I want you to fill in that blank. I might blank for an audience. I could see Avery getting up and singing a song. Yeah? She says, nah. Not yeah, nah. Caitlin, I could see you getting up. I could see you two getting up to sing a song. You're in the musical, yeah. Okay, so what might you perform for an audience? What'd you guys put? I might be in a excuse me. I might be in a musical for an audience. Okay, good. What'd you put, Avery? Okay. What'd you put? Okay, cool. All right, let's move on to the next word. Risk. To blank, that might cause blank or blank. To try something, that might cause blank or blank. To do something that might cause harm or a bad result. Okay, so to do something that might cause harm or a bad result would be a good answer there. To do something that might cause harm or have a bad result. Okay, so then we have, would you ever skip class and risk getting in trouble? I would or would not skip class and blank getting in trouble because I want to blank. I'm excited to see what you guys put on that. You would? On accident? Here's the thing that's tough. Like, when you're in middle school and high school, especially in our school, you're pretty easy to keep track of, right? Like, if somebody was here all day long and then all of a sudden, like, 5th hour after lunch, they weren't here anymore and nobody checked them out, it's pretty easy to figure out they're skipping class, right? Okay, but once you go to college, they don't know if you're in class and they don't care if you're in class. So there's some days where you're just like, I don't think I need to go to class. And sometimes you pay for it, sometimes you don't, I guess, but you pay for it in a way that's like on your grade, right? Okay. All right. Would you ever skip class? What'd you guys put there? Danny, what'd you put? Still writing? Okay, good. I like that. I would not skip class and risk getting in trouble because I want to go to college and have a good future. Okay, I like that. Good. Okay, so here on the foundational skills, read multi-syllable words. So we have un and able, right? So we have a prefix, suffix. The root word is forget. Unforgettable. When you see an unfamiliar word, you can look for base words and parts that have been added. So look, this base word has the prefix un and the ending able. Split the base word between the two consonants in the middle. So we split them, right, with the plus signs. Read each part, then read the whole word. Think about meaning. The prefix un means not. The suffix able means able to. So not able to what? Forget, probably, right? Not able to forget. Okay. All right, so that's just kind of breaking down words. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get this turned in. So page 294 is all we'll do today.